They're more interested in the bubble wrap. Who's this one for? What letter's this? What letter's that?
H.
And this one?
J.
So who's this for?
Henry.
And?
Jack.
That's right.
And Ruby.
What about that one? Turn it around.
It's for us.
Who's this? What is it?
What, Mama?
Oh, it's for your Easter eggs. Let me see. It's for decorating princess Easter eggs.
I like it. Mama, stickers! Stickers!
Yay!
What's in this one? What's in this, Mommy?
Okay. Ruby, why don't you put the bubble wrap in here and unwrap it? We're going to keep it. Oh, unwrap it. Oh, Mom. Okay. Come on. Let's let Ruby help. Or do you want to unwrap Jack and Henry's?
I want to unwrap Jack and Henry's.
Okay.
I did a ribbon.
It is.
That's Ruby's ribbon. What's in this?
No, Ruby's doing this one. Thanks, I got it.
These are clothes.
What do you think? What's over there, Tess?
No, but this shirt.
Wow. Can you look in the camera and say, thank you, Gran?
Thank you, Gran.
Ruby, can you say, thank you, Gran?
Thank you, Gran.
We love you.
Love you. Look, I see